Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will learn about multiplication opcode or MULT opcode. So here we are writing the code in fixed format. So we have declared three variable here: num1, num2, and result. And all of these variable are numeric type of size 4. Okay, for declaring the variable I'm using dspec. Now on line number 16 I'm using cspec or calculation spec for assigning some values to these variable. So you have to just put c on this position, then take f4, and in operation or opcode field you have to put eval opcode, and then you can assign the value to these variables. So here I'm assigning 5 to num1 and 4 to num2. Okay, similarly we are assigning value to num2 variable. Now on line number 21, we are using this mult opcode, which is mainly for performing the multiplication of two numbers. So what it do, it it multiplies the num1 variable with number 2 variable, and then whatever the output we will get from the multiplication, it will stored in result variable. Okay, so that's how we use this mult opcode. So here, if you observe carefully, then we are assigning three values to these indicator: high indicator, low indicator, and equal indicator. So how it will work? Like suppose when the factored result variable becomes greater than 0, or the result we got is greater than 0, then high indicator will turn on. So 90 will become 1, and rest two indicator will become 0. But if result variable is less than 0, then 91 will become 1 and other two will become 0. And if result variable is equal to 0, in that case 92 will turn on and remaining two will turn off. Okay, that we will see in this output. So here, once this multiplication is completed, we are just displaying the value to the user, and that is result. And we are also displaying the output, these indicator into the output, so that we will identify, okay, so this the output we are getting is greater than 0, lesser than 0, or equal to 0. And on line number 30 we are setting star inlr equals to star on by using set on indicator and lr. Okay, so if you take f4 here, so you can see I'm using set on of code and setting last record indicator on. So let's compile. Before that we will check the values. So it is 5 into 4. So let's see whether we are getting the correct output or not. So yes, we are getting the correct output, that is 20. And which indicator turns on? High indicator. Rest 2 is 0 because this value is greater than 0. Okay, so we will see one more example. Let's make it 0. In that case it will become, output will become 0 in, and our third indicator should get turned on. Okay, let's see. So 0 output, high indicator 0, low indicator 0, and equal indicator is 1, which is correct because this time the output is equal to 0. That's why 92 indicator turns on. Otherwise 91, 90 may turn on. Okay, so that's how we can utilize this function. And whenever there is a need to multiply two values, then in that case you can use this mult opcode. Okay, so these are some old opcode that we are using in fixed format. And but better thing is always that, like, you write the code in fully free format. Okay, and this is for the understanding purpose, like how these opcode works. So yeah, that's all for this session. The upcoming session we will learn few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Math.